don't have the atomizer on it, you can screw in the charger and plug this into your USB port and charge it up. It also has a cleaner brush and a couple spare heating chambers. Heating chambers are, there's 3 in total, 1 installed and 2 extras. So let's take a quick look at the E-joint. So nice stainless steel, rounded, all metal buttons. Okay, this is very high-end, well-made stainless steel. You hit the button once, heats up the coil. When it gets low on power, it will start turning blue and then red, indicating that you're getting low on juice and that you need to charge it. The battery lasts about 5 days for me on regular usage, and it charges up in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Okay, if we look inside this little device, is you have the heating coil right here. You hit the heating button. So now we're heating the coil up. As you can see, it gets bloody hot, which is really good. It's got an automatic shut off after, I believe, 5 seconds. You can keep on hitting it. It will stay on, but it gets nice and hot. And then what you have here is you have the product chamber. So you put your product in there. Holds about half a gram. And at the end you have a small filter, and then that goes into the mouthpiece. Now this mouthpiece is a plunger. So what you can do is, after you've used this product, you can push this down and compress whatever you have left back onto the heating chamber, so you burn through all of it. As well as when it's all burnt up, the little bit of ash that's remaining, you can just push out and wipe off. Okay, very good product. I'm very impressed with it. Much better than the Atmos pen vapes. Now, I keep on saying vaping, but this really isn't. This is an E-joint. You are combusting the product, so this definitely is burning the product inside. Some of the advantages is it's very discreet. It looks like an e-cigarette. Also, if you put any flavoring in here, it really has no smell other than the flavor. Heating chamber is strictly electrical. There's no butane, there's no lighter fluid, no chemicals from that going here. You're really just cooking the herb to the point of combustion, and you're getting that amount. It is very efficient, because when you're done vaping, you just let it go, and it essentially just stops burning. So you can get quite a few hits, probably about 5 or 6 good hits off this product before refilling, and refilling is quite easy. Again, I spoke about the battery length being about 4 to 5 days, and overall this thing breaks down into 3 separate products, 3 separate components. And you can clean them individually with a little bit of alcohol, or you can even put them in the some soapy water and soak them, maybe with some cleaner. For maintenance, all I really recommend is putting a pipe cleaner down here once in a while. This is at the base of this is where you're going to get your buildup of any of the oils and stuff that build up. You're going to have to clean that once in a while, maybe once every 2 weeks. But you'll know when it starts to get plugged up, you get less airflow and you can feel it. The little common maintenance thing is you got to make sure these holes don't get plugged, depending on the product that you're using. This is a dry herb only product. We do have a wax version as well, but this one is a dry herb one. If you have any questions, please throw me an email, or just go to our website, executivesmoke.com or execsmoke.com, and fill out our question form. Okay? Take care.